guys, it's Joel Sotello. I'm doing a video today, basically of some of the stuff I weld in the shop. One of the things I weld is an elevator. I do build up on it, and then we cut it down with the lathe machine and all. Basically, we're just rebuilding stuff, anything that's loose, or put new pins in and all. And it's for this is all production rig, workover rigs. It's not for the drilling rig. It's for the smaller, your smaller rigs for maintenance in the fields. Just the maintenance already existing. Anyways, I believe. I mean, if I'm wrong about that, or if you guys have some comments, if you put it down, yeah, I'm in West Texas right now. I've been out here about a year and about 2-3 months. So I'll be showing you stuff that I do there. I thought it'd be interesting because before I went in there, I've never ran into elevators or spiders and all the stuff that has to do with them, building them up and repairing them, fixing them, sending them back out, rebuilt, practically almost brand new, painted now. So yeah, these elevators, basically when they open and they close, they catch pipe, and they got little latches that you'll be able to see. There's a latch that pops it open and it whips open. You slam it closed, it just wraps on pipe. So that's what the collar is. And like I said, when the collar wears down or so, I'll do the part of welding it. It'll move on. It'll get reamed. It'll ream several holes, repin it. From there, it'll get brand new pins and all, and then just works its way down the line. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So giving you a heads up. All right, it's the machine I'm using. 7525 hooked up there. Oh, there it is.
It's not that she cared about my health. It's just she wanted to go shopping. She wanted someone to shop with.
350. And I'll be welding this elevator. This is for the workover rigs, smaller rigs, production rigs. Use the catch pipe in here. This pin goes in there. So basically cleaned it all off, sandblasted it, and got it ready, got all the paint off, ready for welding. Gonna build it up here, build this collar up, and then we'll machine it down with the lathe. And I'll show you guys how it looks after, once I weld it up. So yeah, stay tuned.